Imagine a world where your favorite celebrity is a virtual companion, your virtual assistant controls your home, and AI handles your daily work tasks. This week, these AI-powered futures are becoming a reality, and we're diving right into it. Meta's new AI tools for the metaverse. Let's start with Meta, which just unveiled a massive update to its AI capabilities, aimed at making our digital lives feel as real as possible. They've introduced new AI tools for avatars in the metaverse that bring your virtual world closer to reality. Imagine putting on a VR headset and interacting with AI-driven avatars that look and respond just like humans, including celebrity avatars, who can chat and respond as though they're right there with you. With this update, Meta is pushing virtual interactions to feel as immersive and real as physical interactions. On top of that, Meta has debuted its Quest 3S headset, designed for a high-quality VR experience at an affordable price, bringing VR access to even more users. But the real showstopper is the Orion AR glasses prototype. These glasses use hand gesture control and are designed to overlay digital information directly into the physical world. Imagine glancing at a virtual window that displays your messages or calls without lifting a finger. While these are in early stages, Meta's focus on AI-powered social and interactive experiences is clear. They're building a world where digital interactions are seamlessly woven into daily life. But let's be real, while it's fascinating, are we ready to spend that much time in the metaverse? Let me know what you think in the comments. Anthropic's Claude AI for smart home control. Next, let's talk about Anthropic's new capability for their AI assistant, Claude. This week, Claude gained the ability to control smart devices, making it much more than just a chat assistant. Picture this. You're walking through your door, and with a quick voice command to Claude, your lights turn on, music starts, and your coffee machine gets going, all without touching a thing. This feature turns Claude into a true virtual assistant for your home, helping with tasks in a hands-free, integrated way. What makes Claude different is Anthropic's commitment to privacy. They've built Claude with a focus on user control and security, so you're not just getting convenience, but peace of mind too. In a world where our data is constantly at risk, Anthropic's approach is refreshing. They're showing that smart assistants can be helpful without sacrificing privacy. AI is moving beyond simple Q&A and becoming something that fits seamlessly into our routines. I'm curious, what device would you want Claude to control first? Microsoft's AI agents for work automation. And now to Microsoft, which is taking a big leap into automating everyday work tasks. They've announced new AI agents within their Office and Azure platforms, capable of automating everything from scheduling meetings to organizing data and generating reports. Imagine starting your day with an AI assistant that already has your tasks sorted, your meetings organized, and your reports drafted. These AI agents are like virtual team members, handling the repetitive and time-consuming tasks so you can focus on creativity and high-value work. But it's not just about making work easier. Microsoft is also investing in making AI accessible for all businesses, even those without a dedicated tech team. By integrating these agents directly into tools that people already know and use, they're democratizing AI and making it part of the everyday workflow. Think of the possibilities: faster projects, better organization, and more time to focus on innovation rather than admin work. AI and privacy. All these developments also bring up a vital question: privacy. With AI becoming more integrated into personal spaces and work routines, the need for data security has never been greater. From Claude controlling your smart home to Microsoft's agents handling work tasks, these technologies require a level of trust in how our information is managed and protected. Companies like Anthropic and Meta are stepping up to address this, building privacy safeguards into their AI systems. But it's still an area where user concerns are high. How do we balance the benefits of AI with the protection of personal data? This is a trend we'll keep an eye on as these technologies grow. And that's a wrap for this week's top AI stories. From digital celebrity chats to AI home controls and work automation, these are just the first steps in a world reshaped by AI. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think these changes are exciting or a bit overwhelming? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for weekly insights. See you next week on NeuraLab AI.